Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube series called How to Grow Your YouTube Channel in 2020 to get more views, more subscribers, and to make more money. And well, you guys are here for tip number 9, which is creating an engaging thumbnail and the importance of it, right? So before that, let's recap. So tip number 8, right? What we did was we talked about how to create a top subscribers list. What that means is you give them a shout out for helping your channel out, basically, to comment, being the first comment, right? And like I said, just giving a shout out, so they will go view your next video just to see if they can get that shout out, right? People love being rewarded for things like that. All right, guys. So on YouTube, it's very important to create an engaging thumbnail. What is that, you might ask? Well, it's actually the little picture on YouTube, right? On your YouTube video. If you look at your search on your phone, or if you look at that sidebar right there, right? And you will notice that, I think it's right there. So when you use YouTube research, right? To search how to do something on YouTube, right? And you come up with the video, you'll see the little images, right? On that video, and the title and the description, kind of, right? So imagine having an engaging thumbnail that will tell the viewer or audience that this is exactly what my video is all about. And it's best to have your picture in it, and to have pretty much big, bold letters on the left of your thumbnail, right? So the recommended format is, your face or your picture on the right side, and then your big letters of what the video is about on the left, right? And so guess what? It has to be big, large letters, because this thumbnail is very, very, very tiny, right? So it's got to be eye-catching. Does that make sense? So for engaging thumbnails, you always want to upload your own thumbnail, right? That you customized, that you made. Make sure you have a thumbnail that is a 16:9 aspect ratio and 1280 by 720 resolution, and always an image format like PNG, JPEG, JPG, and remain below the 2 megabyte limit. It also is a good idea to pair mirror your thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, with your brand, your identity. Always got to be the same colors, right? Always going to be the same style. So when people look at the thumbnail, they're like, oh, that's Bobby's thumbnail. Oh, that's Bobby's thumbnail. So your thumbnail needs to be consistent. All right, so the last two things I would want to leave you at is the two resources, right? So number one, I use Canva.com to go ahead and create my thumbnails myself. The other source would be Fiverr, right? Fiverr.com, you can outsource that. People will do it between $5 to $20 depending on the designer, right? And if you're interested, comment down below if you want me to do a tutorial of how I do Canva.com. How do I make thumbnails in Canva.com? And we will see you in the next tip, which is tip number 10, which is how to use playlists on YouTube and how will that affect your growth. All right, guys, like I said, give me a thumbs up if you do like this. Comment down below if you want to know how to use Canva.com to make your thumbnails, and subscribe with the notification bell. You'll be notified when I upload my tip number 10 video tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. All right, guys, you guys have a good day. Peace out.